discuss next topic, morphology of flowering plant. So in the morphology of flowering plant, we discuss the external structure of the root, stem, leaf, flower. So what is the root, their modification, their zone of the roots, what is their function, stem, their modification, flower, male female parts, their estivation, and leaf, their venation. So different things we are discussing morphology. So first we take a root. What is root? So root is a lower portion of the plant which is embedded into the soil. During the time of seed germination, roots is developed from the radicle. From which part? Radicle. Above the radicle, that is a cap structure that is called coleorhiza, which covered the radicle and is developed into the root. What is the function of the root? Because roots are embedded into the soil, it provides support, encourage of the plant, also help in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil and give to the plant. So that is a function of roots. Roots are which are developed from the radicle. That root is called primary root. Which type of root? Primary root. And other than the radicle, that is called secondary and tertiary root. Very important. When the primary root and their branches are developed, they are form many root system, that is called taproot system, fibrous root system, and adventitious root system. In taproot, that is present in the mustard. Fibrous root, that is thin dedicated structure. When primary root are replaced by many branches, that is called fibrous root, present in the wheat. When the primary root developed from the other parts of the plants and hanging structures, that is called adventitious root, present in the banyan tree. So that is taproot system, fibrous root system, and adventitious root system. There is, when we see the morphology of the root, there is many regions of the root. The first region, that is called root cap zone. Root cap zone is a cap-like structure which is protect the root from the direct exposure of the hard substance. That is called root cap zone. Just few millimeter, second one, that is meristematic zone. Very important, that zone. In this zone, the cells are thin and dense protoplasm. This meristematic zone containing highly active cells, and these cells undergo for the division because it's containing meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue are highly dividing tissue which divides rapidly. So that zone is called meristematic zone. So in this zone, division of the cell which take place. Above the meristematic zone, elongation zone. In this zone, when cells are divided, the numbers are increases. So the elongation and length of the plant increases. That zone is called elongation zone, third zone. When the number of cells are increases, then the size of these plants are increases. That is called elongation zone. When cells are mature and differentiated, that form maturation zone, zone of maturation. In this zone, the root hairs are present. In this zone, maturation zone, root hairs are present. What is the function of these root hairs? These root hairs increase the surface area for the absorption of water and minerals. Increases surface area. Very important function. Okay, so that is important region of the roots. Root cap zone, meristematic zone, highly dividing tissue, cellular division take place. Thin tissue cells are present and dense cytoplasm. Elongation zone, where cells are elongated and increase their length. And maturation zone, when cells are mature and differentiated, they form maturation zone, and in this zone root hairs are present. Another point, the modification. Modification of root. So the primary function of the root to absorption of the water and minerals from the soil, but rather than other functions like storage, support, and respiration also. So many roots are modified into the many functions, like respiratory roots. Which type of root? Respiratory roots are also called pneumatophores. Very important. Pneumatophores are present in the rhizophora. Rhizophora is plant that is present in the damp and marshy area. Damp and marshy area, where the roots are vertically grow from the ground. Vertically side they are grow like this, because to take the oxygen from the atmosphere. To take the oxygen from the atmosphere, that type of root is called pneumatophores or respiratory roots. Very important. Some roots having function to storage, like in sweet potato. It's containing adventitious root which having function to store the food material, that swollen part. That type of root is called adventitious root, present in the sweet potato. Other root, that is crop root. Prop root, that is present in the banyan tree, which hanging toward the ground. That type of root, that is called prop root. So that all the things you note down. Thank you. Bye.